All right, so we've got 2 power x plus 4 power x is equal to 8 power x. So how do we find the value of x? Very simple. So we're going to say 2 power x over 2 power x. I'm just dividing, plus 4 power x over 2 power x is equal to 8 power x over 2 power x. Maybe your question may be, why have I divided throughout by 2 power x? It's very important that you work with a smaller number, okay? You divide throughout by the smaller number, okay? So that's it. So now here, of course, this and this will cancel. We shall remain with a 1, okay? Plus, here we shall remain with 2 power x, which is equal to 4 power x. I will explain, okay? I will explain about this. You should not be worried. So if you can see here, this, what we have is 4 power x over 2 power x. Using the laws of indices, this is a 4 over 2 and the power x right here. Because we've got a similar power, so it can come out here. That's how it is. Okay, such that 2 into 2, it's 1. Into a 4, it's a 2 there. So we shall just remain with 2 power x, and this is what we have, okay? So here we remain with a 1, here a 2. So 2 power x, and this is what we have. The same thing is what has happened even on this one. We have 8 power x over 2 power x, okay? So this also will be like this, okay? Using the laws of indices, such that this 2 into 8, it will just be a 4, and here a 1. So 4 power x, and this is what we have. So now from this stage, we shall say let, okay? Or before we say let, let's try to make this or something like this appear where 4 power x is. So it will be 1 plus 2 power x is equal to 2 power 2 power x. So this is what we have. We know that 2 power 2 x there, it will just be equal to 4x, okay? Using the laws of indices. So I like encouraging people that whenever you want to be good at exponential equations, you have to make sure that you are practicing and you know the laws of indices, because we apply the laws of indices. Right here, I'm applying the laws of indices, okay? So this right here, if you want, we can write it as 2 power x power 2, okay? Here, it's the same, okay? So let me just write it in this form, okay? So it will be 2 power x power a 2. So if you can see, we've got 2 power x here and 2 power x here. What is our next move? We just let y, okay, be equal to 2 power x. Whichever letter you want. If you want, you can put y here. I know people may be asking me questions like, where is the y coming from? Here you just put any letter. If you want, you can say let h be equal to whatever is here and here, okay? So let's write this here because we'll come and use it. So we're going to say y is equal to 2 power x. We'll come and use this. That's why I'm writing it there, okay? So now from here, we say 1 plus, let me cut, 1, this one, hopefully you're able to see, 1 plus y is equal to a y power 2. So when we substitute a y here and a y here, this is what we are going to have, okay? So here, we are going to say y is equal to negative b positive negative root over b squared minus 4ac over a 2. We're going to use this formula to solve the equation right here, okay? So before we even solve the equation, let's put it in standard form. So let me write here. We put it in standard form. Remember, this is the formula that we're going to use. Now our equation is not in standard form. So we're going to say y power 2 minus, uh, actually, we've made a mistake somewhere. Where? Yeah, no, it's fine. It's fine. So we're going to say y minus 1 is equal to a 0. I think this is how it's supposed to be. Yes. Y, this one will come this side, and this also will come this side. We are putting it in standard form. It's now in standard form. So now using this formula, we're going to have our b, it's negative 1. This negative 1. Plus or minus root over our b there, we know it's negative 1 squared, minus 4, this 4, our a, what is our a? Our a is a 1, and our b, our c, it's a negative 1. Okay, we say minus 2, over 2, actually there must be a here, there must be a, over 2 and a 1 there. Okay, so when we simplify this, it will just give us a positive 1, positive or negative root over a 5. When we work out everything inside here, we shall get a 5 over a 2. Okay, so our y will be equal to 1 plus root over 5 over 2, or 1 minus root over 5 over a 2. So these are the y values. Okay, hopefully somebody's following. So now after getting the y values, we come back to this stage. Remember, we are trying to find the value of what? The value of x. And we found the value of y. So now we come at this stage. We only work with the positive one. This one, forget about it. Because we're going to use natural log. And a negative natural log does not work out. There's nothing like that. So anything that will give you a negative, like this one, it will give us a negative answer. Don't work with it. You just get this one. So we substitute it where y is. It will be 1 plus root over 5 over a 2 is equal to 2 power x. So to solve for x, we apply the natural log ln. So it will be ln 1 plus root of 5 over 2. Okay, so this one, root of 5 over 2 is equal to x ln a 2. Okay, so when you apply the log, this natural log ln, it will bring this power in front. That's the idea. That's the whole idea of applying it. So the power now is in front. So we can divide by ln 2. This ln and ln will cancel. Also this side, ln 2. So we shall remain with x be equal to ln 1 plus 5, root of 5 over a 2 over ln 2. And this is our solution.